Hey guys, this is I Love Wildlife 7. So here's a new member of my family. Her name is Emma, and she's a budgie. As you can see, we got her from PetSmart. So let me tell you of how we came across her. When I came to PetSmart, I had in mind of purchasing a parakeet. So we went into that section, and we saw all the parakeets separated to one side, and there was only one on the other side. So we asked the lady who was working that section why they were all separated to one side and only this parakeet was to the other side. And she said that this parakeet likes to bite the other parakeets, so that's why they were all separated. And I really wanted to take her home because I wasn't going to get two parakeets, and I thought that she'd really bond with me. When I got her home, she didn't nip me once. I put her in her enclosure, and she adapted to it well. And after the days passed, I started working with her. And we did the step-up command, and she is really tame now. Step up. As you can see, she stepped up easily. Now when you get a budgie, don't think that females are harder than males, because they're not. It just depends on the budgie that you purchase. So here is my budgie. I hope you like her, and I will do care videos. Also request if you want to see any videos. Okay, like, comment, subscribe.